Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reading the Camcorder. So let's begin. Dad had bought a camcorder. The children had a race. Smile everyone, said Dad. Dad went to sports day. He took the camcorder. He made a video of Vilma. It was Joe's wedding. Dad took the camcorder. He made a video of the wedding. It was Mom and Dad's anniversary. Wilma wanted to make a video. Dad showed Wilma the camcorder. It's easy, he said. Wilma made the video. It's easy, she said. Smile please, said Will. The children watched the race. They saw the sports day. They looked at Joe's wedding. They laughed at Wilma's video. They went to the treehouse. Wilma wanted to make a video. Dad let her use the camcorder. Wilma made a video. She saw two men. They were burglars. Two burglars were running away. Wilma made a video of them. Call the police, he shouted. Dad caught the phone. He phoned the police. Wilma got the burglars on video. The police came. They looked at the video. Well done, they said. The police caught the burglars. All thanks to Wilma, said Dad happily. So that was the end. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye.